Hello friends, my name is Vaibhav and I am the founder of a financial services firm in Bangalore which goes by the name Dexterous 2 Advisors Private Limited. Should you invest in cryptocurrencies is the topic that we are going to cover in today's video. A few of the questions which we are going to cover in this video are: what is the underlying to cryptocurrencies? Second is the pace at which it is appreciating. Third is, should you still continue to buy in it when it has achieved such a level? Fourth, what percentage of your asset should you allocate to this particular asset class? Coming to the first, what is the underlying to this particular asset? There is nothing which is underlying to it, if you understand it clearly. And there are a lot of investment pundits who are disputing it only because of the fact that there is nothing underlying that you can figure out with this particular asset class. And almost any other asset class that we have learned so far, we believe that there is an underlying to it, which is where I would like to play the devil's advocate, and I would like to pose arguments in favor of cryptocurrencies. Because when you say that this is one of the asset classes which does not have an underlying to it, even the currencies don't have any underlying to it. After the fractional reserve concept kicked in several decades ago, the money's worth is almost nothing. It's something that we believe among each other, and that is what it is worth. When we are believing that a 100 rupee note is worth 100 rupees is because we have agreed upon it. Till the time it is a legal tender, at least the central bank will honor it. So which is why we have confidence in it. But if you ask me what is the underlying to it, there is nothing which is underlying to it. If it comes as a shocker to a lot of people who are watching this video, then so be it. But that's the fact. So if you are only disputing cryptocurrencies because there is nothing underlying to it, that is not too much of an argument. If there is a group of people who believe that yes, it's worth this much, and it's worth this much because it can buy these services and people are ready to accept it, then it might be a very weird concept for a lot of us to chew on, but that is how currencies are. Let me give you a very quick example. A lot of us believe that gold is worth a certain value only because everyone in the world is ready to accept it at any point of time, even at times of crisis. Gold is one of the currencies which can get traded. But if in case tomorrow we were to realize that it is just a metal which has been extracted and it's hardly worth anything, there is no one who is going to be holding on to it. Because what is it that you can use it for? You can't eat it in times of need if it is absolutely required. So that's how all the currencies which are available have to be looked upon. Coming to the second question, the pace at which it has appreciated, there is nothing that we know appreciates at this pace and has appreciated at this pace probably. So which is again a very strong argument which is being posed by a lot of people that anything which is fundamentally correct cannot appreciate at this pace. Because there has to be a reason behind it. Agreed, point taken. Nothing that you know can appreciate or has appreciated maybe at this pace. But when you're saying that, you have to realize that nothing that you have known so far matches up to cryptocurrencies. It is not something that you have known, your parents knew or your grandparents. It's a new concept. So if it is appreciating at a pace faster than anything that you have known, you have to also accept the fact that it is a new thing and maybe it can appreciate at this pace. If it is absolutely illogical, maybe we'll get to know about it in future. But this alone, because there is nothing which has appreciated in the past at this pace, is not too strong an argument against it. Coming to the third point, which is that it has reached such a level. Now, should you still continue to buy into it, is something which will be very difficult to be answered by even people who are launching cryptocurrencies, because Here's the thing, it's a new thing, nobody knows its potential. Current level is not going to ever signify its future potential. So it might be in for a much higher level. Of course, the levels at which it is, it looks very scary to enter at these levels. But what I would suggest is that if you have anyways made up your mind of entering into it, don't enter with both the feet. Test it, do small allocations into it, and then maybe try with larger values. Coming to the last and final point of this video, which is also the soul of this video, is how much should you be investing in this cryptocurrency? Well, there's one simple one line answer to it: whatever you can afford to lose. So, very simply put, it's your risk capital, and that percentage of your asset, losing which will not make you lose your sleep, is all that you should be investing. I hope you found the video useful. If you liked it, please press the like button, subscribe the channel, and share it among your family and friends. Thank you for watching.